Hey, so I'm back from my trip, and my goal is to try to sort out what is wrong with the carbs, why I get a rough idle. I thought that I was having a cylinder head leak. So the way you check for that is to spray starter fluid at the head. And if there's a leak, it would speed up. But the fact that it doesn't speed up means there's no leak. Okay, I've discovered a few things. Number one, the bolts have loosened up again, this time on both sides. So I'm working on torquing those down. One of the bolts is extremely hard to get to. You can't actually get a socket on it, so you have to do it with a very small wrench. The other thing is that this carburetor is missing. You can see where it's got a hole right there by the blue. That is the pump. That's the squirter for when you push down on the accelerator. It squirts a little gas in right off the bat for your tipping. And it's missing on this side. The missing part for the carb is going to take a week to arrive. So I am going to try to tighten those nuts. I took the back cover off so I could have more access. All right, I ordered a replacement pump connector, and the first one I found was from Italy. So I ordered another one from Pierce Manifolds, but the Italian one actually arrived in just 2 days. And the reason it fell out is because I did not have this tiny cotter pin. All right. Let's get this going. All right, that's nice and tight. Time to move on to getting this. There's still a lot of vibration, and it still seems like this cylinder doesn't fire good. Well, that's it for today.